Homemaking with Mima. If you are new here, my name is Wendy. Today's video is video number 3 in regards to revisiting the $10 meals. And here we go. I'm going to jump right into this video. I've already done a video number 1 and number 2. That will be in the description box below. And yeah, we're just going to jump right into it. So the chili meal with a dessert. So your ground frozen turkey meat is $2.32. Greater value petite diced tomatoes, 96 cents. Greater value tomato sauce, 96 cents. Greater value chili seasoning mix, 74 cents. Greater value kidney beans, 86 cents. Yellow onion, 78 cents, but I do have to point out that the price will vary seasonally. And instead of regular crackers, your oyster crackers are cheaper at $1.37. Greater value yellow cake mix, $1, but that will require extra ingredients in order to make that cake. So that total comes to $8.99, under $10. So here's the list of the chicken gravy over mashed potato meal. The greater value canned chicken, $2.78. Greater value gravy mixes. You're going to need 2. They're 74 cents each, times 2, $1.48. Greater value instant mashed potatoes, $1.32. Greater value frozen green beans, 98 cents. Greater value biscuits, 97 cents. And then for kind of a dessert, the greater value strawberry applesauce, $2.24. That total comes to $9.77, under $10. Okay, so now that you have viewed 2024's prices and what the meals were going to be, now we're jumping forward to 2026. As I mentioned, these are 2026 prices now for the chili. The ground turkey's $1.98, was $2.32. The petite tomatoes are 96 cents, still the same. Tomato sauce, 96 cents, still the same. The chili seasoning is 74 cents, still the same. Kidney beans, 86 cents, that's still the same. An onion, it's 70 cents. It was 78 cents before, but fruits and vegetables, they go up and down all the time. The oyster crackers are $1.47 now. They were $1.37. And the cake mix is $1.12. That was $1. Now for the chicken gravy over mashed potatoes. The canned chicken is $2.97 now, was $2.76. Gravy mix is still 74 cents. That's the same. The greater value mashed potatoes are $1.26 now. They were $1.32, so they've gone down. Frozen green beans are 98 cents still. That's still the same. Greater value biscuits, 97 cents. Those are still the same. And the strawberry applesauce, I took the round rollback off. They're $2.34 now, and they were $2.24. That's going to wrap video number 3 up for the revisiting of the $10 meals. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and I want you to make it a great day.